How's it going, Tomer? Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. All right. Working on anything? Hell yeah. I'm gonna be working on it too. Well, I'm gonna be making more updates to the blah blah blah. Our timer is right now, and then we'll see how it goes. How's it going, Half Moon? Okay. Let's see. Bum, 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 bum. Oh yeah, I messed with my key bindings the other day, I think. Non-existent transition from what the hell is this? Animation player alpha mode? What the hell? A lot of stuff happened. Like what? What the hell? That was the weirdest bug ever. I don't know what happened there. Wait 1 second. Yeah, that was weird. I don't know what caused that bug. Okay, whatever. Cause yeah, it said on stop, but this is the only stop we have per sound. What is this actually? No, that seems to be good too. The only thing I could think of is that maybe somehow there was like some weird timing with grabbing this. The thing is, it was pointing at this too. Although, wait a second. I don't think we run this anymore. Animation player. Play transition from transparent. Oh, actually, maybe we do. All right. Well, I don't want to do this today. I want to do the our timer stuff. Getting back into stuff I really like and having an idea for a possible that's possible to make. Also, may not be single anymore. I know it sounds weird to say because I don't search for it. No, that's good to hear. You know, stuff you don't even. That's awesome, Halfman. Hell yeah. So yeah, I think, yeah, we've been using, actually, well, this is fine. Milliseconds time. The thing is, we're updating time all the time, and I don't think we need to do that necessarily anymore. Yeah, for sure we don't. So yeah, we're gonna change this. Start time, yeah. Like, what's the start time? I might just wait. Why do we get Unix time? Why do we use? Oops. No, don't use this for manual. That's funny. So our timer might. No. Wait, let me see this again. Okay, yes. Yeah, we're just gonna clean up this whole thing. Maybe I should just start rewriting the whole thing. And honestly, yeah, let's start getting rid of some stuff. Blue bro, how's it going? How you doing? Being in your stream? No, I mean, everyone has, everyone has their personal life too. You know, I always say it, but like, there's never any expectation from anyone to like have to be around or, you know, if you're around, that's awesome. And I love having you guys around. But Tomer's asking the real question, 676K. I got to figure out, I found the perfect game engine for mobile. What is it? Is it Godot? You guys know what is it? There's this new it is good. What a coincidence. Yeah, I still got to figure out something for 100 a million points. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. Also, 1 second. I'm also going to be disabling the free copy now. I'll bring it back at some point, but you know, I also need I need to you know, get some sales going. So now's your chance. If you want it. P. Gorley, how's it going? Or you know what? What if maybe I just increase it to 500K? Where are the sounds? That's what I want to know. 500K is a lot. You trying to say Memori's not worth 500K? Based on Memori? All right, I'll turn it off for now then. I don't think anyone has that much and didn't spend them. Yeah, I know it's a lot, but also, yeah. I also think 200. I mean, we already have a lot of people at 200. That's why I'm thinking like I can increase it. But I'm gonna turn it off for now because I need some sales. I need some sales during release. All right, we'll bring it back probably once the game is been out for a while. All right, yeah, I want to change all of this. So should I just erase all? Wait, let me check out GitHub here. Wait first actually. All right. Fan games, fun games. I wonder if I can share this information with you guys. So I applied to something, and I'm hoping I get in. I don't think it's illegal for me to share this, or I didn't sign any NDA or anything like that, so I can share it, and I hope I get in. I applied for this like incubator in my city, and I'm hoping I win. There were a bunch of teams applying, but I applied with Memori to see if I'll get it. And if you get in, it's 15K free. It's like a second Kickstarter. So yeah, we'll see what happens. That's why yeah, I was supposed to stream yesterday. It's free real estate, yeah. There are some included responsibilities, but like if I get in, but I think it's worth it. So we'll see. But I applied less like I mean I submitted Memori, but I also submitted as a studio instead of just Memori itself. To be more, yeah. What wouldn't I do? What wouldn't I do? Probably I would make all right. Okay, so but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on that. That's why I didn't stream yesterday, and that's why I'm also wait, no, that's why I didn't stream on Monday, and that's why I also have had like zero sleep the last few days. I feel exhausted. But I gotta work. We gotta get this game up. All right, let's get rid of all of this. Blue Bro. Oh, it's not easy. I'll see you, Blue Bro. But good luck with the 2D platformer. I'm honored that you would use me as a reference. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's figure this out. I'm gonna get. Should I just do it? Let me see what's in here. Calculate. I still want this thing. I want this, but everything else, we're probably gonna start getting rid of. Also, yeah. Why do we have? You know what? Yeah, I'm just gonna delete all of this. Or. So yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Start run timer. Oh, where are the vibes? We got no vibes in here. I will credit you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yo, buttermilk pancake. How you doing? How you been? Feel like I haven't seen you in a hot minute, right? Hope you've been well. All right, so what we're gonna do, like, start. So here, wait. Also, let me bring out the good old paint. Matko. One second. How you doing, Mako? Sorry for the flashbang. Doing good, hell yeah. Because the 3 kids in college, man? Yeah, no, that's completely fair. But I'm gonna drop out. 3 point. I mean, that's pretty good. And having three kids, and I mean, I don't think your age has much to do with. I definitely don't think that's too late or anything. If that's what you're thinking. So you're eating your mental alive. No, that's fair. That's completely understandable. Being a parent and like, managing raising kids, I'm sure that's almost impossible. Like, not obviously not impossible, but oh. It is impossible. What's in the sky? No idea. Something's in the sky. Look like a bird or something. All right, so definitely not the sun. It's a lot, and I don't even think I want to work for someone again. Birds aren't real. Why would the sun be in the sky? Yeah. The sun's not real. Birds aren't real. Let's stay in our caves. All right. Gonna be doing my kids not getting younger either. Yeah, you make them go to school. Why you gotta go to school? No, it's whatever decision you make, I think is respectable either way. Yeah, you have your priorities. I think you know what you want best. All right. So, what did I say I want to do? So we want a timer to start when you get into the game, but we also need to make sure, we finishing the game today. I hope so. We'll finish. I think we'll finish all the back end today. That's the main goal. To push my goal as a game dev and leaving school, so I think I'm gonna do it. Head first down the stairs. Hell yeah. Good luck, Buttermilk. Tablets? I don't really. I'm not a good with drawing, but I like using a tablet for like this stuff. Like my handwriting's terrible, and it's even worse with a mouse. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Where'd this come from? A bird? A burb? What the hell? Parrot Software? Is this you? How you doing, buddy? Oh my. How's it going, buddy? Burb, how's it going, Grub Lady? Also, Captain Osa, how's it going? CGI? Yeah, it's all fake. There's a camera over here. So yeah, Buttermilk, when you were talking about being a parent, I get it. This dude's a handful. Come here. Oh, we're trying to train it. Who did Burb? One second. What type of bird? Green cheek, conure. Conure? He loves my chair. But, well, he's also, like, oh my goodness, he's also super smart. Oh, although he's biting the hell out of me right now. It's never happened. Maybe because I'm talking too much. Here, I might have to put him in his cage. 1 second. All right. But yeah, surprise. I have a bird now. I'm gonna be setting up like maybe I can do like some sort of bird camera thing, but my room's a mess right now. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know. Also, maybe I'll keep him like a secret or like private. You know, respect his privacy. But oh my goodness, he's so smart. Parrot Software. His name is it right now. So actually, I don't even know if it's a boy or girl. Unless you get it like DNA tested or something. But Algo's the current name. All right. And of course, Algo needs to be a skin in memory at some point. Parrot Software would be hilarious, but Burb exit. How come I can't hear anything? Oh. Also, Captain, how's it going? Maybe the gods will. I just wanted to share why I've been gone. No, yeah, that's completely fair. And free again? Hell yeah, that's awesome. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna redo our timers. I need to figure out what we want exactly. So we want the blah, blah, blah. We want, I guess, a start timer, obviously. Oh, where's our chat? Here, let me bring that back. But it also depends on, like, I guess if you exit, we'll just have like current player time and current chapter time, whatever it is. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, on the user, we'll have start, or I guess total current runtime. Then we need the current chapter time, which kind of resets every time you start a new chapter, but every time you start a new chapter, but it also stays. Actually, no, it doesn't need to stay on the chapter if you're restarting the chapter, but it does stay on current runtime, and then we need a current room time, which I'm not saving, but maybe we will. What else? Is that it? Elapsed time, delta. No, yeah, we're gonna get rid of all of this stuff. Yeah, I guess it's just these three. All right, and these are gonna be stored on the user. Oh, and then I guess when we get time, we just say start timer on the room plus whatever these values are. And we can also reset these values or update them on the profile. I'm not sure if we want to update it every time you hit a checkpoint. If that makes sense. Also allows for people not to maybe cheat. Well, we'll figure it out. All right, so we're also just going to connect some signals. Let me know if I missed any messages. Where's your progress? So I'm getting ready to release I'm trying to release soon. As soon as June for early access. And then hopefully like 6 to... I want to say like 6... I'll keep the window pretty large, but like 6 to 12 months I want to have the 1.0 release. But I also have some other exciting things to share, hopefully soon. So yeah, what we want to just connect. Oh my goodness, I forgot how to type in these last few days. So manager.connect. I think it's enter world. World entered. I guess we know what chapter we're in too, but it doesn't really matter for us. Let me see. World entered. Oops. Why can't I... Are you gonna separate real time and loads? Are you gonna separate real time and loads? Oh, loads removed time. Yeah. So every time you enter, yeah, I am removing them. Although I wonder. I mean, yeah. It'll be removed. Gameplay time will be when it starts. So yeah, this timer on world entered is when the timer starts, and then on the second you hit, I think we'll make it so that the second you hit the, yeah, I guess like right now it's on a hitbox. We could do either one. On the animation or on the second you hit the hitbox. So there could be optimized hitting of the hitbox. All right, yeah, we'll see. Pausing affect the timer? No. We can have several timers for like if you want to optimize your run and like figure out things out. So like, you know, there's an assist mode, and so we can have the assist mode. We can have a timer just for showing your technical in-game time. But Then we'd have to add some sort of like pause timer, like I guess assist mode times and stuff like that, which is fine. But right now I just want. Yeah, there are several features in my game where like we're pausing everything in the game except for the main timer. Yeah, like time to base. Like let's say there's a timer on a pressure plate. That timer pauses. You know, obviously when you pause the game, or if you have assist mode on, or if you're in a portal that allows you to exit early, stuff like that. Okay. So on Interworld, we're gonna say, you know, start time start. Yeah, I'm gonna time start equal to 0. What else? We want to store the chapter, all of the information here, because then another thing we can do is also grab here. Yeah, we could totally do that. Not even have to worry about the player data at the moment. So you have start time, and we'll do this. We'll say player. Yeah, we'll do this. Player data or player stats, player time, and then we'll say current chapter time, current run time, and then current room time. Oops. We'll make it equal to. Also, wait. We want to say. Oops. What the hell just happened? Let's go to our time manager here. We'll say this. Okay, and then current chapter time. Yes, we can say is equal to current profile dot current chapter runtime. Do we want to update these values now? Current chapter runtime. You know, yeah, I'll keep it. And then what was the what's on our player? Yeah, let's clean all of this up a little bit. Current runtime, current chapter runtime. Here. Yo, whale time. We need a whale time as well. Start. Yeah, this stuff is gonna be changing. Current session. Let's see. Milliseconds time. Gold deaths. So yeah, I think this stuff is gonna get removed. Yeah, I think we have to update these two. Current runtime. Current room runtime. All right, let's go back here. What the hell? Why is this current chapter time isn't clear? What the hell? Oh, whoops. Current runtime. Or what do we call it? For total. Okay. So that's that. We can have some, I guess, variables, time, perhaps, and we'll say what, like, this is. I guess what we could do is like current in-game time. Or in-game, how would I call this? Like in-game offset. And then, yeah, we'll just add to that whenever. And this would only reset. I guess this could say the entire game until you're done with the chapter. Actually, it depends, because then. I don't have two timers. We would have to have like offsets for chapter, like all of them. For the current run, chapter, and room. We'll see. Okay. So that's that. Oh, and that's this. It's right here. Let's get rid of. So reset. We don't need this anymore. Room runtime. Let's get rid of all this. Start timer. Get rid of this. Stop timer. Get rid of this. Daytime. I'll leave all of this alone for now. Let's just get the timers to start. So on world entered, and then after that, we'll just start the timer. So actually, start time is what? OS dot get ticks. Let me just print this to see. Oh, a bunch of things are probably gonna break now. That's good. Time manager. Okay. Oh my goodness, so many. Yeah. This is why we're getting rid of it. All right, let me just see this. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Create leaderboard elements. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna be redoing this at some point. I'm gonna just maybe I'll want to reference it later, so I'll just do that for now. All right. Oh yeah, credits are gonna break now. That's okay. Check speedrun, yeah, like all of this stuff is gonna change. I wonder if I want to do this now. Time manager node. Yeah, let's just get rid of all those. Just gonna delete everything. Everything must go. Yeah, let's just get rid of this. Why don't I just do that? Update profile labels. All right. All right, so time should not be. Time is non-existent right now. What happened to our? Yeah, there we go. Oh, here, wait. Let me full screen this for you guys too. Okay. So, why did this not connect? Oh. So 3791, and then let's say we want to. Starts at 0, right? Where where does it start at? 2-4. Um. Man, 4001, and then wait, why is time start? Oh, whoops! I did not mean to do that. Has it been 10 seconds? Wait, let me take this breakpoint off. Maybe it's messing with us. There we go. Oh yeah, that's what it was. Okay. Yeah, that makes more sense. Check speed runtime. All right, let's get rid of all of this stuff. Check speed run data. It's kind of chilly today. Kind of cold. All right. So, I mean, yeah, this is good enough for our timer. We can start. We don't need it to grab it all the time, but we do need to make sure that we're resetting the values correctly and also updating the labels correctly. I think right now we're saying, okay, so get display string, calculate total run. I'm trying to think when we should have this, when we should grab these values. Get time display. Bring it up here. And then when do we want to save these onto the player's profile? Yeah, I guess every time they enter a checkpoint makes the most sense. And that happens every time they pretty much they enter the birth state or they right after they die, and then every time they go into a new room or hit a checkpoint. But also sometimes they want to see their times. So let's go into here. Do we have anything on time right now? Update time. Update speedrun times. When is this happening? Nothing. Not yet. Should we have it get updated? Yeah, I'll just have it here. Honestly, we could just save these values onto the onto this node here. So yeah, we could just do this. Here, let's do this. Clear time. From gamedev.tv to freshen up my skills. Nice. Hell yeah. Also, Bucky, how's it going? Implement character skins on a new... I do already have character skins. Yeah. I have the feature. I only have one skin and then one decent skin and then a bunch of skins I broke. But yeah. It is in the game already, technically. What's going on here? Good total time. All right, so each of these, where are they? These strings. Always like the idea of character skins in games. It wasn't something I don't know why I decided I wanted to do it. Maybe because it was just more interesting. But yeah, I'm pretty excited for making skins. Okay. So yeah, we do want to update these times as well. Oh yeah, on update speed. Oh wait, no. Just update time. And do we want to update the players' times here? At the runtime. Sure. Oh, whoops, not these strings. I think that makes sense. Also want to do this. So we're not calling this all the time. What I'm gonna do with the debug, what's it called? Debug UI. I kind of want to like hack the animations on the numbers going up in milliseconds, and then just have it update every 1 second. I'll have to figure out how to do that properly. Let's see, connect, update labels. Yes. What do we call it? Update speedrun labels. Mm-hmm. Bro's going crazy. So do we have current room, current run, chapter run. What the hell? Low manager, not this? Time manager. What the hell? Oh, wait, what? Low manager, dot time manager. What the hell? Where's our time manager? Yeah, did I delete it? Yeah, we have to clean all of this up at some point. Collectibles, canvas. Guess I'm just gonna. Oh my goodness! Here, I'll just put it on here. Oh, have you thought about what comes after Memory? I won't be working on another game for a while because I'll probably be making a lot of updates to Memory, even after it's released. It'll probably be a lot more smaller projects, for at least for a while. But also, I think that'd be kind of fun to stream and stuff. All right. So yeah, these should update. Should we grab the time manager somewhere? Don't we create some sort of, let me see, current profile. When is that? Yeah, we could grab the profile. Timers F, yeah. Message duration. We're gonna have to duplicate this. Update. Timer, update. Speed run. Wait. What do we call it? Update speedrun label timer. Let me see. No, that's not what we want. Update. Update speedrun strings. Yo, Nerdsel, how's it going? Hi, Ben. For now, let's test if this works. I'll just make this auto start. Every 1 second. It is true. Total run, time manager, current runtime. What is this? Text, total run. Total run. Current room, current run. Oh, current run. What's, total run is, wait, current chapter total. Oh, current run, wait, what the hell? Oh, I guess, oh, okay. I don't have a room one yet, or I do, but that's not what I'm asking for here. So wait. Current run. It's current runtime, but then we also need the total runtime, which I'm not calculating yet. Whoops. Here, wait, let me come that out for a second. So wait. Yeah, we can clean this up a little bit. You know what I could do too? We can make each of these a H box. Oh man, if I thought of, okay, yeah, I'll do that later. Let me just. Or should we just do it now? Let me see if this works, and then we'll fix it. Current run. Do I not have a? Oh, I guess because we have to turn these into strings. Wait, no. Oh, that's why. This is supposed to be current runtime. Okay. Why is it not updating? No. How the game opened on your computer for a second? Because I went full screen? Ah, yes. 0 seconds. Perfect. No, I guess we're just not calling it yet. Wait, but, I thought if we say, wait, let me see something. On update timer. Connect signals. Let me see this node. Auto start 1 second. Update speedrun strings. Wait. Where do we want to say update speedrun? Speedrun strings, and then we say update speedrun labels. So yeah. So we're connecting update speedrun labels to on speedrun labels, but then we're also saying on update timer. Here, let's see if we're emitting those. So that's working, and then our time manager on update strings. We update our times and we emit update speedrun labels. All right, let's see. Let's put a breakpoint here. All right, so that's wait. That's working. I'll measure time manager current speed. All right, one more time. Oops. Current room is equal to current. I think our we never updated this. Get time display string on input time seconds equal to input time divided by. Wait, update times. Oh, whoops. Plus equals chapter time. Wait, current runtime plus. Oops. Yeah, silly me. There we go. Okay. $36. Wait, what are these timers? Oh no, my bad. Wait, what the hell's going on? 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. No, these are not right seconds, right? Oh wait, because we're saying plus. No, whoops. I think just needs to equal time to add, but then we have to like calculate which room we're in, or what we're actually timing here. There we go. Okay. Okay. So how do we want to handle this? We could just say start time for each room. Like start room time, start chapter time, and then start run time. But start run time is a little different, actually. We're going to have some sort of like total time accounting for certain things. But at least it's good. Or at least it works. I mean, how can we make like a little animation of like time going up? Yes, Claude. Um, How do we want to do this? Update intervals. So every 0.060, but I think that's too short. No? On timer, timeout. Mm-hmm. So this is basically, I guess, all we need. And then we only play it on each timer that's visible. All right, so I guess we'll start updating what these timer nodes look like. Should we make this into its own node, or should I just throw them in here? Let's see. So chapter run. Room run. Oh, we don't need these to be unique. All right. Should we make this into its own thing? Timer, speedrun time label, speedrun time label. I'm gonna leave it alone for now. All right, there we go. Why is it so far out? Yes, but also, yes. Yeah, these are gonna be moving around. So what we want, like, this to stretch? Yeah, we'll see. Let's just get everything going first. Update speedrun milliseconds. Dude, it's chilly today. I'm cold. Let's grab these values too. On. Oh, what the hell? Current, what is this? Current one. Okay. Turn run, chapter run, rune run. Where's our total run? Do we have total run in here too? No, we do. Mm-hmm. Should know what these are. How did we? What did we wanted to just? I guess on whatever that time is. Do we have to level like a total current milliseconds time or something? Mm-mm-mm-mm. Oh no, no. Yeah, yeah. Mm. Mhm. 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 Do we have a process? Wait, why did I create this timer? I don't think we're gonna use a timer, right? We're just gonna use current milliseconds. What was that? So wait, we don't need this. This. Text. Okay. What's this? I don't think we're using this. Have a nose up. Nice daily. Current run milliseconds on base. Current run milliseconds. Did I make a mistake here? No. Current run milliseconds. Try that again. All right, there we go. So now we have this silly animation. Uh-oh. Oh, wait. We got to make sure we're deleting this. Okay. Okay. Now what? All right, let's go back into... What's my sec? What do you want to know? I'm into NPCs. This right here. Can we... Do we just get rid of this thing right here? Why you being weird? Why you being weird, brother? Oh, Nick B Dog. How's it going? Welcome. Thank you for the follow. I think it should be good. Oh, I think right now. Wait, let's go back. Let me just see if it works first. What's going on? It's still showing this time right here. Am I using... Oh, whoops. There we go. I don't like that there's like this... There's like a really small gap I think we can fix that though. Wait, let's see. Um, Let me try that again. I mean, we could just put a dot there. Like another label, or should we just put let me see. Should I make this from ChatGPT? Yeah, I made the whole game, or yeah, ChatGPT made the whole game. I just said make me game. It's going well. It looks awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm aiming for June. For early access. That's where I'm kind of like powering through everything right now, especially the leaderboard stuff. We're gonna be Tomer's helping me with the back end there. I was using Silent Wolf, but I think it's gonna be a little heavier, like everything that I want in the system. So gotta rewrite. Aren't you afraid AI is gonna do what job? This is my job. How's AI gonna take my job? Hope it releases. I'll say this now though. If Silksong releases before my game in June, if Silksong releases in June, I might have to postpone it a little bit. I'd be overjoyed. I'll do like maybe some private playtests and such, but yeah. Very likely for it to release on June 20th. Some skongers. Is that what they're being called now? Yeah, let me go over to was it Team Cherry? Be like, hey guys, come on. You really want to compete against me? I've been working on this game for 4 years. I don't know how long you guys been working on it. But what's another year? 1 second. Okay. Oops. What was I gonna do? See a dot text is equal to. I mean, we could put the. Oh, can we just do this? But I wonder why we didn't see this earlier. Is that something on my end? There we go. Okay. Maybe I just didn't see it correctly. But the other thing we need to make sure of is on these H boxes, I think the separation here, I think we can do this, and I think that should fix it, hopefully. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And we'll get rid of those colons. Dude, what the hell? I don't even have a colon here. What's going on? hours, minutes, seconds. And then do I have it like oh, I must have added it here then. No, what? Let's try it again. I'll just print this out. Yeah, so 01. And then if we look at our game here, well, oh, it does work. It's just that we're never updating these ones specifically. Okay, never mind. We're good. We're good. All right. Whoops. But what are we missing right now? So we're getting current chapter, room run. I don't think we're running yet, and then total run. Okay. And we're also seeing, is it current room that's being updated? Current. Oh yeah, that was my issue. Current. Del. Oh, room run. Ba-da-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum. All right. Total time also. Why is it current run time? Because we don't have a total run yet. Or time manager doesn't have it. So current room, current chapter, current run, and then also current. Although I feel like we technically don't even care for this. The player shouldn't really care for this to be displayed. Current profile, total time. But yeah, we'll do it anyway. Update times, current room time, time to add, and then current profile time. It's equal to time to add. Bum, 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 bum. And then same with this. Okay. Total run. Okay. None of these times reset just yet. So that's the next step, but this is a good start, so I'll commit this. Love the background art. Thank you. Background art is yeah, it was difficult to figure that out. There's a lot of like back and forth, I guess. What happens if you don't take the cat? It's impossible for you to not take the cat, because the cat is your it's your ability to dash. And the next room requires you to dash. And also the hitbox, I mean the hitbox technically right now makes it so that you need to like there's no way to like jump around the cat. Even if you like walk into the like try to avoid it, you can't. Catless speedrun. Catless any percent. Catless percent. How long you can be, or how quickly you can be without a cat for? There's a will, there's a way. Okay, so remove, all right, so yeah, we have our speedrun times now, but we are currently not saving it to the profile anymore. I do want to change how our profile is handled pretty soon, but I'm not gonna do it right now. Let me look at our profile real quick too. All right, so total time. Where's our time stuff? Oh, right. What the hell? Why is there a current runtime? Oh, yeah, I guess, yeah, let's grab this and put this over here. Current chapter time, total time. Put in order. So total time, then current runtime, then chapter time, then run time. I think all of these are saved. What the hell? Why are there 9 matches for this? Best 100 runs. Yeah, I don't know why I have this, and I'm just gonna remove all of it, because whatever it is, we're gonna change it up. Calculate milliseconds time. Let's get rid of that too. It's gonna be handled somewhere else. Update chapters beat. Session data. Because they were fun. Intentionally, I'm trying to think. I have a speedrun strat in my game that's actually like right in the current state is really good, or like beneficial for speedrunners, but I also don't think it's fun. And I was thinking of removing it because I don't think it's fun. And yeah, there are other things like for like the, let me see if I can show you. Well, I'm always changing this one, and let me see. Oh, I disabled chapter as well when I was making a build. Let me see. I think there are definitely things that are unintentional, like dashing through spikes was something that I think I figured out like with our last speedrun, where like there was like a slight chance of people skipping a collision, like from dying into a spike, and because of that I decided to like expand on that and make it like a feature, or more viable feature. So yeah. Where is this? Demo. I would have to check here. Let's see. Oh yeah. So I mean, this one has a lot of speedrunning capabilities. Oh. It's also, it's a lot slower now. And it was because it was so hard for me to play this game on controller that I made it slower. But I think we're going to make some updates. I'll have to see. But yeah, that one has like a lot of speedrunning potential. Or like, text, I guess you could say. Oh, I lost what I was doing. Oh yeah, we're saving. So we need to save to the profile. We're already saving the profile, but we need to make sure that when we do save, that it's going to. That we're also grabbing stuff from the time manager. So save manager. So yeah, we're getting rid of this whole Silent Wolf manager node. Maybe I should just start. No, I'm not gonna do it yet. I'm just gonna comment this one out for now, or just erase it. Update profile labels. Set profile like I don't know why profile select. Oh wait, no, this is something else. We have this save profile. Signal manager. What is this? Save profile. Okay. Yeah, on this save profile, hashed best chapter runs. I'll keep this. Well, yeah, we do want this, and then best chapter runs. Best 100 chapter runs. We're gonna start getting rid of this, right? Oh, dude, I totally don't remember why we had this here. I guess to keep track of their progression, players' progression. But I'd rather have just like not best chapter runs, but just like previous runs. I think I'm just gonna erase it for now. Best chapter. Wait. We still want best chapter runs. I didn't delete that one, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So when we're saving the player profile. Hasher node. Yeah, I want to get rid of this, but I want to clean it up right now. Save data. So here, let's do this. Profile, current profile. Input profile dot total time. Should we say plus equals or just equals? Yeah, we'll just say equals level manager dot time manager dot total time. Why is it not showing I think it's not showing the right data. Current chapter, current run, current profile, total time. And current. Technically, we don't have to save these current rooms, but yeah, I'm not. Yeah, we don't have that variable actually. But it'd be cool to save that eventually. So total time, current runtime, this. And then every time we enter the game, we'll want to reset current total time. So input profile. Total time. Plus, wait, for this one, let me see, total time. Current room time, I don't have one. Current total time. Time to add. We can have it just grab the profile. I'm trying to think if we want to say current profile start time. Current profile total start time. And then we just say, all right, here we go. Let's do this. Time to add. And then total start time is equal to yeah, how's it going? I don't know, Nemo. Blah, blah. And then when do we want to update this? So yeah, we'll just say time to add plus current profile. I think that should be it. And then also, yeah, we have a current runtime. We need a current run. Oh wait, at this point, let me see something. Yeah, we'll do that. A current run start time as well. And so these would be, so this is 0. This is also 0. Current run. Current profile. So we don't have a room. Current profile, current room runtime. We don't have these yet. Let's put this on 0. Okay. I'll just put them all here. And then current room is also going to be plus current. Run start time. Okay. Current run and current profile total time. So this should work, I hope. And I think, did we start saving? Total time is equal to time manager to current profile. Total time, current chapter, runtime is equal to, and then current runtime is equal to current runtime. All right, so let's see if this worked. Uh-oh. Hash best chapter runs. Did we just get rid of this? I guess we did. We do want this. Oh, there's gonna be other broken stuff, isn't there? The yeah, all profiles. Should I just start erasing? Okay, so total time. Let me see it. We're at 5 seconds. Go into the menu. We gotta make sure. I'm not sure if we're saving when we exit. I think we are. Update. Current profile. Update best run time for current chapter. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Hopefully that doesn't. Oh, let's see if that broke anything. Okay, so total time is at 15, and then current run is also at 15, and then both of these got reset. Yeah, cool. That's pretty good. Wait, let's also make sure it saves regardless of where we are. I think we are saving, but 26, we go into the menu. Or here, wait. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, and then menu, we're at 34 right now. 36, okay. Trying to think. Wait a second. Our timers, I think, are still running. all the time. I just realized. But I mean, everything does get reset here, so it doesn't matter technically. But yeah, it's running when you exit the world too. So yeah, let's not do that. Although, yeah, like it already saved the data, so it doesn't matter technically. Well, I'll keep it running. But that means if you're like, yeah, if you're just hovering the main menu, it's getting total time of your previous account. But yeah, we don't update it unless we save, so yeah, I think we should be good. um, all right, so yeah, let's quickly get the room times to update. I don't know how to handle this just yet because that means another thing to throw into our debug here. See? We could do another one. This would be last room. Last room run. I just realized something too. When you're these animations are gonna be silly because I'm resetting the last room. Oh, I didn't think about that. Technically, last room doesn't reset. It's technically showing the right time. What's a funny way? What would be like a? I don't know. Rooms would have to have their own timer on them if we want to do it this way. Is it worth like optimizing this, or should we just have it so that everything has their own label? Correct time being displayed. I don't know. What do we want to do? I'll leave it alone for now. We'll start working on the room run. So yeah, last room. Make this unique. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, what do we want to do for this one? Every time you enter a new room, we just slap it on. Or yeah, room entered, we just grab previous room. But it has to be a different node altogether. So new room or dead. Or just, yeah, or I guess we could just say new room. If the room name doesn't equal, then we say okay. Should we check what the last room was? So, here, let's do that. If last room doesn't equal, let me see, are we connecting this right away? Update room label. If room testing, no, not this one. Oh yeah, wait, current room is equal to room name. Hey, wait, let me fix this. Current room. I'm gonna make another HBox here. Whoops. Why is it doing that? Why you look like that? Oh. And then if we go in here, instead of saying room, we just have the name. The room name label on room entered. Can you connect? Now let's do this on room entered. Okay. On room entered. Boop, boop, boop. Wait, what? On room entered, but what was it? Date, room name label. Oh no, there was some input here. And then we can say, wait, update speedrun labels. No. We specifically only want to update last room. Oh yeah, we don't want to update this. Let's say update last room label. Yo, Dragon Skull, how's it going? Wait, what the hell? Okay. So yeah, this will update, but we don't have anything that updates the player's room or the room label. So this is only on room entered. I mean, I guess we could say, oops, what happened here? We could tell it to reset the room. Reset room time. Oh yeah, that's a good idea, actually. Yes. Manager. Where's time? Speedrun. I don't think we have a current room time. Actually, yeah, we can just say like, current room time. Should we say current room offset time? Current room start time, because we have to current room offset or something like that. I think we'll have is what we'll have to do, because we'll just have to subtract it from whatever's next, I think. So okay, and boom, boom. Whoop. So current room offset time plus equals current room time, or plus equals current run time. No, whoops, current room. Um. Current room. Oh, dude, what am I trying to do here? Plus equals, yeah, current room run time. And then we say current run is equal to 0. So when we go into updating these times, current room time plus time to add, I'm gonna say subtract current room offset time. Did we... Let's see. Room time. Last room. No, it's not running correctly. Current room time, time to add minus room offset time. On reset time. Reset room time. Time equals 0. This equals this. Okay, last room label. Oh, last room dot text is equal to, does not equal current room dot, room name does not equal to current room dot text. Median purse, how's it going? Thank you. Is this working? Reset room 2. Nope. Okay, last room label. Room name does not equal. Oh, wait. Oh. I think we gotta know. So last room is 0 seconds. We jump here. And room time is still 20 seconds. Last room run equals room. Oh, wait. No. Yeah, what the hell? No, we're getting an error here, not this breakpoint. Room run. What? Oh, whoops. Bump, 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 bump. Oh, wait. Okay, last room is we're going into the negatives now. Perfect. Yes. Plus equals minus. Is it why is it going into the negatives? Boom, 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 boom. Do I just say minus equals? And current runtime is being set back to... actually, do we need to reset this then? Current runtime? Or sorry. Oh, whoops. That's why. Wait, I think this still stays as plus, but current bottom current room time is equal to time to add minus the current offset time. Oh, let's find out. Mm-mm. Maybe we don't need an offset time. We can just grab we can just make a new time, current room start time. And then current room start time, and then when we grab current room time, we have to make sure current start time. All right, so room is at 4 seconds. We jump into here, get set back to 0. We're not updating last room correctly. Let's see. Last room run. If room name does not equal to a current room dot text, and we are updating this one first. Current room. This is updating correctly too, right? Or is this updating faster? Or maybe, do we have like a unique thing? Room entered. Oh, yeah. Update current room label. Yeah, let's get rid of this. All right, so last room is now 400. Oh yeah, we have to update the, what the hell? Yeah, it's just being sent as a, we don't know. Oh no. Oh no. Let me think. This one we can grab directly from the time manager. Womp womp womp. Get time display string. Mm-mm-mm. 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 Let's do this. Mm. Mm. Boom, 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 boom. Should I just grab it from, let me see. does not equal this. And it's not equal to room run.text. It's yo cricket, how's it going? Thank you. How you been? I was actually asking about you the other day. So I've been on Twitch lately, and I was like, I wonder how Cricket's doing. How you doing? Wait, we don't know the there has to be a better way to do this. No, there definitely is. Wait. We could just grab it directly from the time manager. Let me just see if we're doing this correctly. I wonder if there's something else wrong here. It's saying 200, which is not correct. Last room run dot text is equal to let's see, level measure dot time measure dot current room time. See something? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Cricket. Oh, Joe Johnson, how's it going? But I'm sorry, so sorry. Sorry, heard it. Do I have a release date? No, not yet. Because of well, yeah, there are a bunch of things happening right now. Like, I don't know if it's, I'm aiming for June, but also Silk Song is coming out soon, possibly in June. So I wouldn't want to. I know, like, it wouldn't be fair to Team Cherry if I competed against their release. So yeah, we'll see. I am aiming for June. If not June, maybe like early July. Yeah, then yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, Cricket. But I'm glad you're back. I've been kind of missing from Twitch a little bit too. I am getting back into it, but yeah, I haven't been streaming nearly as much. If you wait for Silk Song, you may never release. Are you doing the Next Fest? So I did Next Fest a long time ago for this game, and I didn't think I was gonna spend this much time on the game. So, yeah, no. The thing is, like, it's kind of weird for like how I feel about. Like, part of me wants to blow up my campaign for early access. Like, I mean, you'll hear a bunch of varying information, but like the thing is, for me, I'm precision platforming is kind of niche in comparison to. I mean, obviously, it's very popular for game devs, but in terms of like the audience or my expectations for the game, you know, I feel like I can have I can still have a good campaign post early access release. If I don't focus too much on the early access release, but then that's also kind of dangerous. But if I really wanted to blow up Memory, I feel like I would just make a new, Steam app, and then do a kick. Like, I feel like it's not a kick. Do a Next Fest on that title, rather than just sticking with this application with this, but with this one. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep it. We'll see. I have a bunch of plans, but yeah, who knows? It's very part of your yeah. No, I completely understand. I guess I can show a little bit of my game, real quick. I'm currently redoing I was using Silent Wolf for a while, which is like, if you know, oh, here, wait, let me. which is like a free. Oh, also Kitten, how you doing? Is like a free leaderboard system that someone made with their own, like, yeah, they have the server and everything like that. And it was pretty good, but I kind of want to make it just a little heavier or like more intricate and more demanding. Here, wait, I'll show in the game without all the debug lines and stuff. Also, this room. Here, wait, let me show like a different chapter too. He's over scoping. I need an excuse to not release. I need an excuse to not release in June. But yeah, right now I'm messing with like all of our speed. Well, yeah, I think the only thing that I really need to focus on is the is making sure our leaderboards are good, which I think they will be a lot better by, or I guess the system in place for making it better will be done by today. And Tomer's helping me rewrite the or not rewrite, but make the backend for the leaderboard and other things. It's not only going to be a leaderboard, it's going to be like, if you know like Death Stranding, or even, yeah, kind of like the, what is it, like the chiral system in Death Stranding. I kind of liked that idea of like karma and like points and stuff like that. So there's like a few systems I want to add to that, and it's going to, you know, showcase your collectibles, your runtime, all of these stats, as well as like dailies and stuff like that you've done during the game. Do they have normals? No. What else? What else can I yeah, that part is pretty much done. Let me see. Last room. Oh yeah, we're trying to fix this. This is technically never going to be sent to the server, but I kind of want to keep it in there. I'm also trying to figure out a way to like have this the room time, because right now we're just animating these, or these are kind of like fake numbers being thrown here. I wonder if we could do like some sort of animation on this one, because if you go into this next room, you can see like this time is in sync with this one, but that doesn't make sense. It does update when you throw it into this one though. But here, yeah, let's see. Current room. Zilphy, thank you for the follow. Time manager. This one I'm hard code. Let me see. Current room time. Let me see what we're seeing here. Is it time manager? Is it? Oh. Yeah, let's do this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, so last room, and then we jump in here. 2 seconds. 1 second. All right, yeah, there we go. Oh. Yeah, we gotta fix this too. I think, so I'll go my bird companion. I think he's used to me talking, to him, and now I don't know what to do about it. So I think because I'm streaming right now, he thinks I'm like, maybe he wants my attention or something. But I think maybe I'll have to look it up, but I think I should be maybe ignoring him. I'm not ignoring him, but not submitting to his calls here. All right, so yeah, the rooms are good. Obviously, the how it's being displayed is what's going on here. 00. I guess yeah, that's correct. Oh, but why is there so much extra time? Why are there like 2 extra zeros right there? Did I do that accidentally? Oh, let me see. Get full display string on current room time. Divided by 1,000? Is it supposed to be... See? Oh, no, this isn't. It's not supposed to be here. There we go. So 4 seconds on the last room. Should we just throw it up here on the top and say last room was whatever time? I feel like that looks kind of cool. So where's this? Last room. We'll throw over here. We can even say on last room, we can update the... I don't want to put too much text. Okay. There we go. Yeah, there's so much text here for no reason. Should I just get rid of this whole thing? Let's say room. Room 384 was that time. I think that's good. Oh, if you die, we gotta make sure. What can we do about that? Room time. Room time shouldn't reset. But that's happening on the time manager, and I don't think we're recording what the last room was on the time manager. We'll have to start doing that. We don't use this anymore. I don't think we use any of this. World entered, reset room time. Is that happening on... Yeah, we'll have to say this. If current room name... Doesn't seem consistent yet. Yeah, I'll look at it. It's mostly for debugging, but I think a bunch of people are... I think a lot of people will like it. On reset room time... Making sure people cannot successfully hit the API to update the database server. I'm afraid people would decompile my game, find API endpoints, and DNS by API web app. So, I mean, I'm sure it's going to happen. Like, I'm sure people are definitely going to hack it. Tomer is helping me with the backend, and I guess we're gonna try to tackle it as it comes. We had a few things. We're thinking, like, one, we're gonna have verified users. Yeah, maybe Tomer could probably answer more of those things for you, but I'm trying to remember what we talked about yesterday. I guess we're expecting a lot of stuff to happen, especially if the game like, best case scenario, the game does well, and we'll just have to shut down the server for a bit. But then also, on release of Steam, we can also just have Steam handle the leaderboards, and then this feature could be, you know, something that we slap on afterwards or on top of. Yeah, I think it will be a nice problem to have. Or if I do if people want to hack it, like if we do closed beta testing and people, you know, invite people to hack it, we can do that too. So at this point then, on room entered, we'd want to signal that. Yo, Caratalis, how's it going? So wait, if we're doing it this way, then we didn't need this necessarily, because we know the room name now. If room name. No. Yeah, I'm pretty good. I feel I'm a little sleep deprived, but so yeah, we could just do this. Does not equal this. Let me do this. And then also current room. Current room name is equal to name. Boom, boom, boom. And what was this room time? Let's get rid of this. I don't think we need it anymore. I don't think we need it. Okay. So on room entered, current room is equal to new time, current room title. Here, let's see. So we're at 4. Room time is 16 seconds. Current room. Oh yeah, I have to change that, but okay, 21 seconds. Room time is reset. Then room 359 is set to 3 seconds. And then right now it's at 4 seconds. Still at 4 seconds. All right, yeah, there we go. And then what's wrong with our spacing? Yeah, I mean, I don't like this part. Room 359 colon. Yeah, whatever. Let's just. Maybe we'll make it gray or something. That way you can, like, it's not too distracting. And we could also disable that one specifically. Okay. UI. What was I gonna do? What the hell? Did we make this invisible? Oh, there we go. Last room, room 30. Why don't we just get rid of last? Why did I put that there? Last room. Yeah, let's get rid of this. Or wait. We have this name, but yeah, let's just hide it. Sounds familiar, yeah. I mean, obviously, yeah, like referencing. I reference Celeste a lot. Like now I tried to like stray away from it, but yeah, definitely a lot in the beginning was, especially if it's, you know, a pixel art platformer. All right, so 279, 278, 4 seconds. Yeah, we could store this on the also wait, let me just make sure. So room time still goes up even if you die. Unless you want to go boom, boom, and then you can reset it there. Oh. Yeah, it's not time on, you know, beating the room. It's time on exiting the room. You'll have to see how to, like... Yeah, if your room... If the... we could record this. Like, if the room that you were last in is not the same room that you exited into, then the time resets. But it also depends on, like, the path to beating the game, because you can... If you really wanted to, we can, like... If we really wanted, like, a really good time on this room specifically, we just go in here and then come back. I guess what we could do is record total time in each room. That's heavier for us. And honestly, this is more so for just... I mean, I can make this a speedrunning... We could add this to the leaderboard, like, you know, top runs for each room. but it requires, you know, more effort on my end. It seems like a good idea. It would just be, yeah, again, total time for each room. It's very likely we'll just have a speedrunning mode for people, and then, you know, if you're in speedrunning mode, it's a little bit heavier and more strict on the on the calculations and stuff. Oh. Okay. But yeah, this is pretty good. We don't have a way to disable specifically this one. Here, wait, let me see. So let me just disable all of our settings here and see which ones are still here. What the hell? These are supposed to... Who made this? Who wrote this? I guess I never made that update. Let me see. Resume game. Update speedrun labels. I guess we never made a label for this. Update visible. Yeah, we're gonna have to have some sort of like update visible label. Update. But first, let me see something. But yeah, thank you, by the way, Sophie. Yeah, let's go. I forget where we handle. I know it's something like apply settings. And we'll probably just emit some signal. You know what? Yeah, whenever we apply settings. It's not this though. Wow. Update labels. Okay. Wait. Room testing mode. Okay. Mid signal update labels. I guess yeah, we wanted to connect to this. Are we ever running this? Update valid run. Valid run. Yeah, I guess we could throw it all in here. I am gonna grab it just from the settings node. So like, oh, this is gonna be here. Wait. There's so much to do. A lot of this is extremely old. Let me see. So wait, what was that? Update labels. Where is it? Signal manager. It's in our global settings. We just grab everything from global settings. Let me say global. Game. So assist mode, specifically, we only care for this stuff right here. Enable FPS, state, player motion, valid runs. Let's see, current room, profile, collectibles, little deaths. Do we have timer? Oh, here. Yeah, I'm just gonna put everything here for labels. Okay, enable debug, states, player motion, current room, for collectibles. I kind of want to rename all of this stuff too, but that requires more stuff on me. Let me see. Or does it? No, I don't think it matters. Let's start updating it. Wait, let me see. Because I know it's some funky way of like messing with these variables at some point. Let me see. Debug UI node. Um, I know our check boxes were weird. Oh, let's see. Debug setting container. Yeah, this thing I know was like, yeah, it was based on everything here. Maybe we should change that up though. Boom. Boom. I don't want to do this today though. Should I? Mm, total time. Let me see. Yeah, let's just start rewriting it. Wait, let me make sure I can. How do I want to display it though? Why don't we just maybe make it a dictionary or something, a JSON file? Honestly, yeah, that'd probably be better than how I'm doing it here. And then we just check if it's if we put it. Okay, we put it into a JSON, then these checkboxes just grab it. And we grab it from the checkboxes, and then we just set if it's true or not. But we also still need it to be like a variable somehow. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, okay. Well, let's just start. Here, you know what? Wait. We just grab this from the player first. So we know what we want. List of dictionaries. Where is it? Current time, total time. Let's grab this. Anything that has this, let's just remove. Oh, okay, cool. Total time, current runtime, current chapter runtime. But these are not going to be. Total deaths. Oh wait, this doesn't matter. Okay, valid run. This is not anything official, right? I must be saving this somewhere. There's no way. Yeah, I just realized these are settings somewhere, but yeah, I'm just gonna set it all to false for now. Okay. State. These are no, wait, no. State label. Where are the debug lines here? After, oh, okay. Doing so. Hell yeah, I'm glad to hear it. I see a store page. Nice. Hit 12. Oh, yo, Booyah. I know that. I know Booyah. Falconer? I know Falconer. Two people from my review helpful. Thank you. Whoever you are. Also, if anyone wants to wish list or get Hiragana Hero, check it out. Okay. Are you planning on making any updates to the game? All right, so all this stuff, all this stuff is gonna break. I remember speedrun mode. I remember where the stuff saves. In debug UI settings, but how the hell did I hard code these variables? No, I don't think so. I don't know. Here, let's run it. It's probably gonna break everything right now. Yo, Grumble, how's it going? Check if toggled on. Here, let's just check that out right now. Memory log? No, I think we have like a... Wait, let me see. Config. Default config files. Game settings. So yeah, this is all hard-coded in. I'm trying to think, should we... Also, oh yeah, this is why I always make it, like, if you have a new version, I delete all of your config files, because, yeah, this would break everything right now. How's it going, Grumble? Yeah, we could just grab all of the export variables and have this thing not be as clean. I mean, we could still make it clean, but I don't want to do this today. So yeah, we're just gonna hard code it in right now. Motion, total time, reload rooms. Some of the stuff doesn't need to be. Yeah, let's just start cleaning it up. Can you alt click these? Can we open this with 1 second. Where's a VS Code? How do you oh. We're making progress today. Yeah, yes. Yeah. Yeah, we're making progress. We're kind of just updating really old stuff and preparing for how do you like select multiple things with the arrow keys? All right, I'll just click it. How much time you saved? Oop. Okay. Shift. Alt Shift does this weird duplication thing. Alt Control. Oh, Alt Control. Oh, but also, whatever. Okay, yeah, we're good. So yeah, we need. I'm sure there are more things we need. Let me see. current room, editor rooms. This is more here. Let me make these just regular variables. Oops. It's official spawn. Generate new tile maps. This is all for me. Clear spikes, delete OG, new player path record, draw circles. This is gonna go here too. And draw circles. Let's grab these. And wait, why is this? Did this say true? Oh no. False. Make everything false. What's going on here? Why is this one? Oh. Okay. Player motion. Let's go into our player settings now and just delete it. Game settings, delete that. So now we have all of these. It shouldn't break the, we'll see right now. It's gonna break our checkboxes. Signal, oh, okay, room. Testing mode. Is this still saying FPS? Okay, whatever. Also, deleting our config files makes us accept all of this again. Uh-oh. Did we crash again? Pressed. Okay, yeah. All of our checkboxes are broken now. Because, yeah, we're checking it based on the name. Let's do this. Let's go back into, yeah, how we're going to create this is based on these settings. I don't know how we want to do this yet, though. Let me see something. Debug UI settings. Oh, I got it. I think I know. Wait, what? So we'll have some, oh, someone said this earlier, actually. A list of, dictionaries. It's probably what we're gonna do. Instead of having the variables there. Thank you. Zikrios. A list of, dictionaries. Or... just a dictionary. Debug. Yeah. And then what we'll go into here is key value.get value. This is on import settings from config. So right now we're saying all debug. Wait. Debug UI settings versus... Why do we have debug? Why don't we just call it debug settings? And then for this one, we'd say show player motion. Oh, we have to change how they're displayed. Okay, let me fix this up then. What the hell? How do I zoom in? How do you zoom in? No, thank you. Yep. I don't like the name of this player path record recording, but we'll give it. Room testing mode, and draw circles. Okay. Okay, and then here we're saying get value on for key in config dot get keys all debug. Right now we have this all debug UI settings. Okay, I guess I don't want this anymore. I wonder why I had it. Yeah, what? There's no point of it. What the hell? What happened here? Why is this broken now? Room test. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. How to I guess we'd have to room testing mode. Uh-oh. Oh dude, I think we're gonna break everything right now. None of this exists anymore. Let me see. Hopefully that's the only thing that's besides that. Get rid of this. Okay. And then debug variables. Let's go back to, where was that? Import settings from config. So on debug UI, oh, what did we call it? Debug settings. And, oh. And then, get rid of this key value. And then, okay. And then, show player motion. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. How are we saving settings? Save. Default config. Create game. When is this happening? Delete all config files. Create game. When is this happening though? If we don't have the file, it just breaks everything. We should check if it doesn't have it. Can't find. Save default config. in config file, not load user version path. Ugh. Okay. Delete all configs, remove, check user directory. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is okay. Okay, I think I understand now. But we're grabbing stuff from. Oh, dude, I don't want to deal with this right now. Set value from. We have to load this into our dictionary and what are we importing this? I mean, it should be. Maybe my brain's not working right now. Let me just see. No, something broke. So check boxes. You're right. Okay. Oh god. Let me see if it saved our files. It did. Okay, it did save. It does have the new settings here, so that, yeah, that's good. Wait, let me just double check. Game settings. Player motion. No, wait, no, it does not. Okay. Yeah, that's the first thing we have to do. And let me make sure this is. Yeah, okay. Create game setting, config, save default. And the user path, we're saying, yeah, to grab these sections, but we should say for key in the default config, and we don't have that saved yet. All right. Where's the import? Is it because I didn't delete it? Wait, let me try one more time. Let me just delete everything. Oh, dude, I deleted the wrong thing. This. Can I just delete the game settings? Okay. Let me go into game settings. Oh, it doesn't even show anything yet. Okay. But enable debug, and then that's all we've got so far. So save to user config is the get section keys. What we'll want to do is just load settings from the default config first. Maybe we should always get default settings. That way, if people have, like, if they change up their settings, then we can always just make updates rather than what we're doing right now. But dude, I don't feel like doing this today, so I'm gonna call it here. But yeah, that's the plan for next stream then. Load our config, see if any changes are made to the user config, or if it's new version, and then compare some stuff. All right, people, have a good one. Let's see who's online. I'll see you, Tomer. Have a good one. Who are we gonna go for today? I'm gonna go for Code Red. Working on Roguelite. Goodbye, people. If you want to wishlist my game, you can find it here. Oh, it's his affiliate anniversary. Okay, sorry. I'll start. Oh, if you want to join my Discord too, here. I'll announce. Yeah, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, that's the new schedule. Hopefully I stick to it. I've been pretty consistent except for 2 days ago, but alrighty. Bye-bye.